investing versus passive investing. Which of these best suits your personality? If individual stocks does not interest you, don't worry, you don't need to pick individual stocks to be well off. There are funds that hold the best companies of the country, and they're referred to as ETFs. And historically, these funds have averaged 8 to 10% per year in the US. To invest in these types of companies, you only need to believe that these pool of companies, which represent a big portion of the US economy, will do better in the future, 10 to 20 years from now. Then all you have to do is set aside a time frame, monthly, quarterly, or yearly, to buy shares of these ETFs or exchange traded funds. This process is what's called passive investing. They are scheduled transactions where there isn't much decision making involved or actions. The actual buying and selling of these funds, or any stocks really, are as easy as placing an order on Amazon. In fact, the delivery is faster. So there shouldn't be a need to hire a fund manager to press some buttons for you. Now let's move on to active investing. If you are someone who doesn't mind looking for a gem in the stock market, who doesn't mind putting in work to look for great businesses that are selling for less than what they are worth, then active investing might be the right fit for you. This process involves reading companies' annual reports, evaluating companies' financial statements, predicting the company's future growth based on available data, and coming up or determining the best price to pay for these investments. But most of all, active investing requires emotional and behavioral strength, like patience and rationality, which a lot of investors don't have, including the so called expert fund managers. Most fund managers don't even beat the 8 to 10% average returns that passive investors make. Watch the previous video that I made regarding the questions you might have to consider when you're deciding to invest on your own or when you're deciding to hire someone to invest for you. I'll link it to the end of this video. Anyway, whichever way is more suitable for you, whether to go active investing or passive investing, Options is a great investing tool to use for either strategies. To learn more about this option tool, either watch my previous videos or go to my website at optionwits.com. Thank you and have a great day.